Hello everybody, I am Yulianto. In this course, we will learn about the basic of JavaScript. We will divide into several subtopics. The number one is we will talk about what is the JavaScript. This is the intro and very basic. The second one, we will talk about the internal JavaScript, following with the simple practice using the VS Code as IDE. And the third, we also discuss what is the external JavaScript and how to realize it using also we utilize the HTML as output form. What is JavaScript? JavaScript, known as engine that bring the web to life, while HTML provide the structure and CSS provide the style. JavaScript acts as the computational brain and provide the behavior. The JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language that enable programmer to implement complex features on web pages, such as scrolling video player, interactive maps, real-time updates, and animation. And it can be make short information that JavaScript is the brain of logic program, and the HTML will help the JavaScript to display the output information into the web browser. Now we will talk about the method for writing the JavaScript. Actually, there are two ways to write the JavaScript. The number one, we can write the JavaScript in an HTML file, that also known as an internal script, using the script tag. And the second one, JavaScript can also be written separately from an HTML file as an external file with .js extension, which is the recommended method for organization and reusability. The first one is how to write JavaScript as internal, or known as the inner of HTML. You can place the JavaScript program that you write that between script tags, and the script must be read within the HTML document. Particularly, you must put this script program before the closing of body text. This has a meaning of to improve the page load performance. Now we will make a simple practice about how to implement the internal JavaScript, or known as the inner HTML. In the free space area, please right click, then select the new, and please choose the text document, then rename this file. I will give the name as index.html. After that, please right-click your index.html file that you have been created, and then please open with Visual Studio Code. Then don't forget to give the information of this document as HTML. And please write the HTML information, head, and also the body section. In the last of body section, please type the script. This is the place to locate the JavaScript program. For example, if you want to display the output of JavaScript into your HTML program, you can use any element. For example, I will use the p element. With the ID, I will give the random name of selector ID. For example, I will put with that has a meaning. Our program will display the output and locate it to the ID selector that has a name as output. And to display the output, I will tap the document dot get element by ID. The ID selector I choose output. That means the output of this program will display to the P element that contain ID selector of output. Then please tap the inner HTML equivalent to. For example, I will write the random string like, oh hello, I like to learn the JavaScript program. Okay, don't forget to save your project and to run, and to see the output, please double click the index.html. Now you will see the output will display in your browser. Now we come to the another way how to writing the JavaScript program. This is named as external JavaScript. You really separate your JavaScript file from the in HTML file. For example, as you can see in our monitor, there is two files in one project. The first one named as script.js. Actually, you can give the another name, but as a reminder, please give the extension as .js. The second one is HTML file. In my project, I give the index.html file. You can see in the script.js, you don't need to giving the information about the script text, but in index.html, you still need to typing the script text, following with the source where you store the JavaScript file. Let's get practice how to implement the external JavaScript. The first one, please make the new file. I will give for the first, my file is index.html, and the second one I will make the JavaScript file named as script.js, and I will open this JavaScript file using the VS Code. Then, for example, I want to display the simple text into the HTML form. So in here, we don't need to tap script. We just need to direct tap document dot get element by ID. For example, in the future, I will give the ID information with the name as simple output, and dot inner HTML equivalent with double quote. Don't forget to give the semicolon information. I will make a string like this is the symbol of external JavaScript. Okay, then please open your index.html file using the VS Code, and please write the standard of HTML form, be giving the information about doc tab is HTML, then type the HTML text, head, and also the body. In the previous, we have make a simple ID, So here I will display the output by using the p text, where the ID is simple output, like this. I want to make sure that the ID that I have created before is the name is simple output. Okay, this is same. And you can type your script here and place the source src. The file of JavaScript you can call here script.js. Okay, we see the result by double click the index.html. No, this is the output.